Hi kids, Mrs. Chang here, giving you a summary of today's lesson, Argument Essay, Writing an Introduction Paragraph. Let's start with a review of our learning objective. I can write a lead opening sentence, introduce the issue, and state my claim in my introduction paragraph to generate interest in my argument essay. Let's take a look at some quick examples of a good opening paragraph. What's your excuse? Perhaps you don't like getting sweaty, you have no time, or you're just plain lazy. Whatever the reason, you're not alone. Fewer and fewer young people are getting enough exercise. However, sports offers numerous health and social benefits, so it's time to stop complaining and get moving. So you can see the writer used a question to catch the reader's attention for their opening sentence. Another good way to grab the reader's attention is to use a quote, possibly from someone who is famous. The great American basketball player Michael Jordan once said, "I can accept failure, but I can't accept not trying." Okay, a memorable quote. Another way is using a shocking fact to make an impact on your audience. Are you putting yourself at risk? People who don't get enough exercise dramatically increase their risk of developing heart disease. So using a shocking research fact to grab your audience's attention. Let's look at another example. This is an essay on the U.S. has a garbage crisis, on the topic of garbage, by William Dudley. America is a throwaway society. Each year, Americans throw away 16 billion disposable diapers, 1.6 billion pens, and 220 million tires. For the sake of convenience, we tend to throw these and other used goods away rather than repair or recycle them. The average American household generates 350 bags or 4,550 gallons of garbage per year. This comes out to a total of 160 million tons of garbage a year. We have to change our throwaway lifestyle before we are buried in it. So the author uses an interesting first sentence, throwaway society, because we don't really know what that means. So we kind of want to find out what he means by that phrase. Then he goes on to write lots of facts about how much garbage Americans are generating. Finally, he ends with his thesis statement. We have to change our throwaway lifestyle before we are buried in it. He uses that phrase again, throwaway lifestyle, and that we need to change it before our country becomes buried in garbage. Okay, so two good examples of introduction paragraphs. Happy writing, guys!